Following wildfire, some of these big trees that fall and just burn slowly will just be reduced to ash, and then other pieces of them might survive intact for a while and just make for a very heterogeneous forest floor with a bunch of down wood. What I'm doing right now is sneaking up on the pinnacle of avian evolution, the Louisiana water thrush. And that was him. Zeetu, 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 doo, doo, doo. So that's a male back here, and that's his advertising song, proclaiming a territory and trying to attract a mate. And that's the part he likes. So forest cover with usually better looking running water than this, but this is enough in this part of Oklahoma for water thrushes. And I hope he's successful.